Hello students, today we will discuss about the dimensioning systems to be used in engineering graphics or in drawing. Dimensions are very important parts. Okay, dimensions are very important parts while drawing any drawing. Okay, so that's why we need to discuss about the dimensioning and its system. So dimensioning system basically are of two types. Dimensioning systems basically are of two types. Number one is aligned system. Number two is unidirectional. Okay. So what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between aligned system and unidirectional system? So first we will discuss the aligned system of dimensioning. Aligned system of dimensioning means here you can note down that all the dimensions are put in such a way that it can be either read from the bottom edge of the sheet or from the right hand edge of the sheet. Means to say, I will just take the example here, like this is the drawing of any component. Okay, so you need to dimension it as per the aligned system. Okay, so the length, say it is 100 mm. I am using the extension line. So this is the extension line, these are the extension line, then arrowheads, and this is dimension line, and putting the dimensions in such a way that it can be read from the bottom edge of the sheet. So horizontal dimension is put in such a way that it can be read from the bottom edge of the sheet, whereas the vertical dimension, it can be put in such a way that it can be read from the, again I am putting the first, this is the extension line, dimension line with arrowheads. Suppose this is 50 mm. So this is 50. So vertical dimension is put in such a way that it can be read from the right hand edge of the sheet. So it is aligned system. Second thing in the aligned system is all the dimensions are put above the dimension line. So this is the dimension line and dimension is put above this dimension line. 50 is put above this dimension line. Okay. So now in the second system is unidirectional. So in this system, the only difference is that all the dimensions are read from the bottom edge of the sheet. Means to say, all the dimensions are read from the bottom edge of the sheet, means horizontal as well as vertical. So I will just again take the same example. I am taking. Here, this is extension line, and this is dimension line. Dimension line is broken in between the center. Okay, so dimension is put like this, horizontal dimension. Similarly, this is extension line for the vertical dimension. This is dimension line, arrowhead. We'll discuss arrowheads later on, how to draw the arrowheads. This is 50 and this is vertical dimension. Okay. So this is the way by using unidirectional system, 100 and 50. So all the dimensions here are read from the bottom edge of the sheet. Second thing is, dimension is put just by breaking the dimension line at the center. Okay, not above the line. This is the only difference between aligned system and unidirectional. One is aligned system, all the dimensions are put above the line, and horizontal dimension are read from the bottom edge of the sheet. Vertical dimension are read from the right hand edge of the sheet. Whereas in unidirectional system, all the dimensions are read from the bottom edge of the sheet, whether it is horizontal or vertical, and dimensions are put just by breaking the dimension line from the center. Okay, so this is the difference between aligned system and unidirectional. Thank you.